Mr. Thapra, thank you for speaking to us and taking time out. And this is something that has to be addressed because this is causing considerable, it is actually disturbing for all the Mumbaikars who had to pay an exorbitant amount for their electricity bill. Now they're getting to know, according to this RTI, that 15 of the ministers, they were never even given the bills in the first place. Isn't this the kind of double standard that is making the Aam Aadmi question why there are different rules for the Aam Aadmi and the ministers?
Yes, I agree. This issue is definitely an issue of concern. And whatever administrative flaws have been there, that should be checked. People who have not sent the bills to these bungalows should be, action should be taken against them. But I don't think so that this is a clear case of double standard. Let me tell you that there are around 44 ministers in Maharashtra cabinet. And if 15 ministers have not been sent the bill, the others have been sent the bill. So this is a logistic problem, I feel. It is not that deliberately the bills are not sent. And I don't see a case of discrimination or double standard in this. But definitely people who are responsible for sending the bills and who have not sent the bill, action should be taken, or at least they should be questioned that why the bills were not sent to these ministers.
All right, Mr. Thapra, I request you to stay with us. Let me quickly toss across to our Deputy News Editor, Mayuresh, who also wants to inquire about this entire issue. Mayuresh?
Mr. Thapra, Mayuresh here, I want to ask you a question. As you said that it's an administrative flaw, everyone knows that it's an administrative flaw. But how is it possible that only these 15 ministers, Bangalore didn't get bill, or the PWD department who looks after this, that they didn't get the bill for these 15 ministers, Bangalore, but in the same area, the people who are staying, they got the bill? Then how you can justify this? Because Energy Department is with Congress. Your own minister, Nitin Raut, was very much aggressive to reduce the bill. Even he has given the assurance to people of Maharashtra that we will try to get some kind of relief, or try to give some kind of relief to the people of Maharashtra. But if you are saying that only these 15 bungalows of minister didn't get the bill, then how it is possible that people staying in a same vicinity, they got these bills on the time during the lockdown or after the lockdown?
See, the issue is that in the same vicinity, all the 44 ministers are having accommodation. Now, these are the government bungalows. These are not the personal bungalows of the respective ministers. If the bill is not sent, that is definitely an administrative flaw which should be checked. I am not trying to safeguard anybody, but I am saying it is an administrative flaw. It should be checked. And the ministers, I'm saying not only 15, but 44 ministers are staying in the same vicinity. So the bills were sent to the other ministers' bungalow. It's not that no minister's residence was sent the bill. And ministers are not accountable for this also. It is an administrative flaw which should be checked.